Hi, my name is Isabel. So I'm gonna sing song from 1D. From the very beginning, I hear this song. I honestly fall in love with it. But of course, yeah, though a lot of things come up, said that it's not that good song at all. I would say that it was for me. It's one of my favorites, and I really do say that this song really relates a lot to it right now. So I'm gonna sing Moments by One. Shut the door, turn the lights off. I wanna be with you. I wanna feel your love. I wanna lay beside you. I cannot time it, even though I try. Habits further, time escapes me, trembling hands touch skin, it makes it harder, and a tear stream down my face. If we could only have this life for one more day, if we could only turn back time, you know I'll be your love, your voice, your reason to be. My heart, my spirit is waiting for this moment in time. I'll find the words to say. Before you leave me today, close the door, throw the key. Don't wanna be reminded, don't wanna be seen, don't wanna be without you. My judgment clouded like the night sky. Under silent voices numb, trying to scream out my lungs and make this sound down, and a tear stream down my face. If we could only have this life for one more day, if we could only turn back time, you know I'll be your light, your voice, your reason to be. My love, my heart is really for this moment in time. I'll find a word to say. Before you leave me today, flashing lights in my mind, going back to the time, playing games in the street, kicking balls with my feet, dancing with my toes, standing close to the edge. There's a pile of my clothes at the end of your bed. As I felt myself fall, make a joke of it all. Bye.